Welcome to Sociology 3 in 1. It's me, Said Hamid, and you're watching Sociology 3 in 1.
Sociology and Political Science. Political science deals with political activities of men. Political science has its own topics such as origin, evolution, and function of state, the forms of government, types of constitution, administration, law, legislation, election, voting, and political movements. Political science is concerned with the state. There are some common topics of interest for both sociologists and political scientists, such as war, mass movements, government control, public opinion, propaganda, leadership, elections, voting, etc., and so many other things which both the subjects deal with. New political problems, for example, clashes of Muslims and Hindus. Now, the difference between sociology and political science. Sociology is a science of society. Sociology studies all kinds of societies, organized as well as unorganized societies. Sociology has a wider scope as compared to political science. Its studies main is fundamentally a social animal. Sociology, the approach of sociology is sociological in nature. It follows its own methods in addition to the scientific methods in its investigation process. Finally, sociology is quite a young subject, and it is not even 2 centuries old subject. On the other hand, political science is a science of state and governments. It studies only the politically organized societies. Political science has narrower field as compared to sociology. It studies man as a political enemy. Political science is a special social science because it concentrates only on the human relationships which are political in character. Political science is an older science comparatively. It has centuries